Hi, it's Phil from Teachblend, and today we're going to look at how we can use custom backgrounds in Microsoft Teams. So what this essentially allows you to do is blur the background out of what room you're actually in and put in either a no background at all or a custom one that you can set in Microsoft Teams. So let's have a look at how we can do that. First thing to do is to join a meeting. So here I'm just going to join my test meeting, and you'll see the features that you're used to in Teams, such as turning your microphone off and your camera. You'll also see the turn background blur on. When you click this now, however, you get more options. The first one is to have a background blur like you're used to, but you'll also see images as well that you can now use as a background instead of either blur or no background. I'm just going to set my background to normal for now, just to show you how you can do this in the meeting as well. So here you'll see I've just got my normal meeting taking place. I can click more options and then go to show background effects. Here you'll see I can blur my background as well, so I'm just going to do this quickly now to show you. So this is how you can just blur your background like standard, but I can also change my background on the fly. So as you can see, there's also some images that I can select. So here I'm going to select an image. The top tip is to preview this. So when you click preview first, it turns your camera off, and then preview again, you can see the background before you apply it. So this is a real nice way of seeing how well the background looks. Here you can see now I've applied that background and it has changed the background on my camera. I'm just going to close the background settings options off, and as you can see the full background is now taking place. What I might want to do is turn this off. So if I click more actions, click show background effects, I'll have all the options to change my background or turn the background back to normal. So it's a real top tip being able to change on the fly. I hope you found this useful. Please remember to like and subscribe to Teachblend.